Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 90 of the Batmobile from 1966. We've got this bit last time. I think the middle bit is what we've got now. But first, we're going to flick through the magazine. Episode 90, obviously. March 16th, 1967. Was the other one not March 16th? I'm going to have to check now. 89. No, that was March the 15th, so it's the day after. Yes, this is still... Oh, it's Black Widow on this one, because we're talking about the spider things. There you go. The Murders of Clayface. Clayface. He's basically sort of Sandman, but the DC version, isn't he? I don't know. Removes the makeup from the horrible Clayface. Oh, I don't know about that. So yes, part 2 of 2011 on there. Very cyberpunky type Batman things on that. So yes, this is the middle body frame. We're going to take the shipping bars off of it and then fit it to the other frame. So we're ending up with a double-sized main body section. Obviously cut out there for the window pieces. So yeah, this is again only going to take a little while, but a little bit longer than last time. So I'll see you for that in just a sec. So here we have the middle piece, which is again got these shipping bars in it to hold it together, because otherwise there's only one little bit holding the two side pieces separate. So we need to get rid of all of these, as well as the piece. We did have a pack of screws in this issue. That's attached from the ends. Let's get that out as well. There we go, that one. And this one is attached from the top. So we get that one apart from there. That one apart from there. All of the screws out of the way. And this one from the end as well. There we go. Lots of metal bars. One screw that doesn't want to come out. There we go. Right, there are 6 of these EM screws to hold it together. 4 from one side and 2 from the other. And this is, of course, going on to our part from last time here. And is going on like that. So that attaches onto there like so. So we've got 2 of these either side through the top. Like that. That one there. That one over there. Another one next to each of those. Somewhere around there. You can see this one. Let's get that one in there. Obviously, I shall go back and make sure all of these are tight and secure as well. That's that. And 2 more of these going from the other side. About here. So there we go. Our frame is coming together. I believe the next issue is also another huge frame part. I've lost that screw. I shall find that and sort that out, but get them all tightened up. So it is all coming together and getting there. Going to be too big for the bench very, very shortly. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.